Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So thank you everyone for joining me today at the launching of our new monthly collaboration, Sophisticated Saturdays. Now this is going to be held every second Saturday of the month at 6 o'clock in the evening Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so I'm really excited here. The host of this collab is Courtney from Amethyst Adventures and Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and that is me. So if you decorate tablescapes, or if you decorate coffee tables or vignettes, or you do tier trays, whatever it is that you do, you bring it with sophistication, class, and elegance, and I would love to have you. Now I will be linking our channel links and the playlist down below in the description box. Make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how everybody decorated on Sophisticated Saturdays. Remember to full watch the video and click that like button, because every time you do, you help YouTube to notice us just a little bit more, and this helps us to grow. We would love for you to support our channel as it's growing. Remember, there's a comment section below, so please comment because I would love to hear from you. And most of all, let's have fun. So let's jump into the video. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft will be listed in the description box below. They're mostly from the Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using the paint and the baking soda technique in order to put some texture on these two vases. Now I'm absolutely loving this baking soda and paint technique on the vases, but I had to go back and add some more baking soda, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. Remember that the same process I do for the first vase is the same process I'm repeating for the second, and we have to let these completely dry. Now, I still wasn't liking the look of this. Remember, this is my first time trying it, but I absolutely love the end result. I got some baking soda inside of a plastic container, and then I just started dabbing it on. So this is called stippling. Now I did use a paper towel to do this, and again, the end result still came out the same, and I'm absolutely loving it because what this leaves behind is a white against the beige, and this is beautiful. Now I'm going to go ahead as I continue with this process and leave you to some music. I'll see you at the end of this. Now, while I was doing this, I thought of asking, what are your decor styles? What type of styles do you like decorating with? Do you like more than one style? Do you like combining the styles? Comment below because I would love to hear from you. Now, as you see me doing this, you may not like to add more baking soda. I kind of went with how I look and the look I was looking for. You can go less or you can go ahead and go more. I personally think the stone effect or the concrete effect is gorgeous. I'm loving the way these came out. The end result, is gorgeous. So now we're going to go ahead and place some florals in there and then head on over to the reveal, guys. So last minute I decided to go ahead and reveal these to you 2 different ways. So we're going to head on over to reveal number 1. So now this reveal is over here by my picture window, and I think it looks gorgeous. What I am noticing is that glam vase in the middle between the two is blending in very nicely. So you can incorporate more than one texture when revealing or displaying something. Now in my second reveal, I decided to decorate a vignette for you, and I thought it would be nice to incorporate the matching display bowl. So let's head on over there. am absolutely loving this texture, and I think it's very elegant. Now here is the matching display bowl that you can pretty much place anything in. I decided to place florals in there. Now in this bowl, I did not use the extra baking soda, so you can see the difference, but either way, both results are gorgeous. Okay, I'm like so excited. So here we're getting ready for reveal number 2. So I had an awesome time with this collaboration, and I am so happy to be launching this off. I also had a great time creating these projects, which I think came out very sophisticated, classy, and elegant. So I hope you agree. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. I cannot wait to see you next month, second Saturday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Have an amazing day, guys.